Hello guys, again welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about that the 5 AI tools that can help you to make the money. So that course is going to be a beginner friendly. So let's get started. Okay, so basically in this course, in this video, I will tell you the 5 AI tool basically which we are using in daily and but we are not using for making money. So as a student, so let's get started. So our tools, AI tools are the first is the ChatGPT and the Canva AI and the CapCut, Gamma and the N8N or the Make. Okay, so let's get started. So basically, if we talk about the first and second tool, so basically ChatGPT and the Canva AI. So how we can turn our basic prompt or basic use of ChatGPT into the something useful and which create a passive income for us. So basically if we use chat gpt as a workflow, so like researching the topic or dragging the writing or polishing into the client deliverable. So services to sell, what types of services we can sell using the chat gpt, that selling the blog post or report or the copywriting as a done for you the writing service. Basically if we can also create a storybook. Basically we prompt it in the chat gpt and it turns the story for us, and then we can publish that story uh, in platform that really needs that story. Okay, or we can post the blogs and the reports and the copywriting like stuff using the chat gpt. And if we talk about the canva, so basically canva का यूज़ करके हम क्या कर सकते हैं, जनरेट कर सकते हैं थंबनेल को, या फिर हम पोस्टर बना सकते हैं सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट एंड द पैकेज बना सकते हैं ऐसे जिसमें हमारा कंटेंट करें, thumbnail and the social media contains or post or thumbnails or etc things, and we make a brand set of package, and we will use uh, use that for the selling it to the creators and the small brand who really need that package. Okay, means using that you can also earn money. Okay, or you basically you have to approach the client. Basically you can cold email them or just personalized message etc thing you can use for selling your products. Okay, and our third tool is the CapCut, and for presentation we use the Gamma. Okay, so basically if we talk about the CapCut, so we take a long video from a YouTube of any creators and then cut into the small short reels or the videos and deliver uh, them and post the clip, and we can able to make the money from them. Okay, so it's like a short term video editor service for the podcaster or the creators who really need or they don't have that thing. Okay, you can do for them, just cold email whatever you have created for them, just attach that thing on the cold email and just send it to them. Okay, and so same thing is going to be happen with the gamma ai tool. So basically start with a rough info and generate a design deck and refine usko refine karo visuals and the flow ko, and then sell the presentation design for pitching deck and the सेलर एंड ट्रेनिंग जो भी करवाते हैं उनको. ओके, And if we talk about the fifth tool, the that is basically trending now, that is the automation basically that is needed for the creators, YouTube creators, we can say the Instagram creators. Everybody needs that they want their work to be automated. So basically the manual work is going to be automated. So whatever our manual workflow is, we rebuild as an AI automation using the make or the N8N, and then deliver as a paid automation setups. Okay, so basically we can create that thing for the busy workers that really need that. And automation sets as a service की तरह, and lead captures and the CRM updates के लिए हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं, और we can follow up and reporting. ओके, बिल्ड, और इसको सब सारी चीज़ें हम N8N में बिल्ड कर रहे हैं. ओके, so if we talk about the what are the services we can provide using these types of thing. So if we talk about the ChatGPT, we can create an AI copywriting and the content services we can provide, or the research report and the white papers for the business we can provide. Then if we talk about the Canva AI, so social media design package, or the YouTube thumbnail design services, or the post etc thing. And the cap, using the CapCut, we can create a short form editing reels and the shorts and the long to short video repurposing the things. And the gamma say we can use the pitch the design for the founders and the self, the trainers, creators. And then I think we can create a business creation, processing automation setups, and the lead generation, CRM automation, and the retailers. So basically you can use these five tools individual them for creating group. Like you can use the all of these stuffs, group the three or two with each other, and then provide the services. Like you can use the ChatGPT for the content, and the Canva for the designing part, and combine these with the annotating part, so it automate your work. Okay, you can also use, or you can combine the uh, Canva and the CapCut, like social media content plus the short form editing. So this package is also good for the content creation and the YouTuber part. So you can combine any of them and start selling it. Okay, so uh, everybody can do. So like student, if you are a student or college student, you can also do, or a school student, you can also do. It is easy to use, and you can generate the enough money as a passive income. So I hope you are able to learn from these five tools, that whatever I have discussed in this video. I hope you understand and try to implement in your career. Okay, and I hope you learn enough out of that for so let's bind up the all the things. So we will meet in the next video. So like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.